Hey there, we're so glad you stopped by online today. We have a few announcements we'd like to share with you.
First off, January 25th, our youth are having a fundraiser meal. It's going to be barbecue plates for donation, and it's going to help them get to the youth convention. So please make plans to eat lunch with our youth after service.
And February is going to be a big month around here, so the first thing you'll want to know is that we have a membership class that will start February 1st. It'll be at 9:15 in Pastor Seth's office, and light refreshments will be served.
And we are so excited for the Blessed with the Best date night that's coming this Valentine's Day. It's going to be a catered dinner with breakout sessions and a fun game at the end. So you're going to want to register for that online.
Also coming up in February is our next life group session. That will start February the 1st, and you can always contact the church office or check on our Facebook page for more information.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, leave us a comment, and share it with your friends.
And we would like for you to join us for a church service. They start every Sunday morning at 10:30. So we hope to see you really soon.